These are the newly modernized cars 4 through 6 elevators at the city side of the city county building in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These originally, I think, old Otis from 1958, but I think they were 1958, but I don't know if they're Otis or not. They were modernized by General in 1988, and now they've been modern. Then they got a slap-on mod by Otis in 2010-11, and now they've been modernized again in 2019 to 20 by Otis with CompassPlus probably. Top floor is not up there. Good, B5 is still here. 2-speed on the inside, but it's just 1-speed center opening on the outside, 2-speed center opening inside as well. Actually, the car 6 was just fully modded. 4 and 5 were fully replaced, which is kind of interesting. Not sure why that is. It's a screen for the indicator. It's kind of laggy. There's security on one, which is why I'm not there. Here at 9. I think there was like 8 and 7.5 too, so I don't know, or maybe that wasn't this bank, that might have been a different bank. We'll go back down to 2. I don't think there's a basement. Oh, there is a basement. Okay. If you do -1, that doesn't work, but that should be the same thing as basement.
Going down.
I think this one used to have a rear door. Yeah, this is the only one that talks. The other 2 do not talk. This one's just a basic padded cab, which is why I didn't want this one for it. It's the only one that goes to the basement, probably. LED spot lighting. It's the same nice cab underneath.
Basement.
I don't know what's down here. I don't even know if this is public or not.
Second floor.
Oh wow, there's an old call button here. I doubt this works, but yeah, because I'm pretty sure there used to be a rear door for that service car. I don't know. Is this an elevator? What is this? Maybe that's a freight elevator that's on the reference. I don't know. All right, that's it.